24 hours prior to the experiment, a male fly is placed into a 2 milliliter tube. Upon brief ice-cold anesthesia, the fly is pushed into the NMR rotor insert, then placed into the rotor tube. TSP standard solution is added on top of the rotor insert, and then the rotors are closed with a top cap. The rotor is introduced into the HRMAS probe and is positioned at the magic angle 54.7 degrees. The spectrometer is set to acquire 1- and 2-dimensional experiments. Finally, the MR spectra of specimens are analyzed.
I'm Valeria Righi from the NMR Surgical Laboratory at the Department of Surgery at Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School.
Hi, I'm Yiorgos Apidianakis from the Laboratory of Molecular Surgery in the Department of Surgery at Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School.
Hello, I'm Laurence Rahme, the Director of Molecular Surgical Laboratory in the Department of Surgery at Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School.
And I'm Aria, Tzika, the Director of the NMR Surgical Laboratory at Massachusetts General Hospital and affiliated with the Athinoula Martinos Center at Harvard Medical School.
Today, we will show you a procedure for the molecular characterization of live Drosophila melanogaster using magic angle spinning proton magnetic resonance spectroscopy.
In our laboratory, we use this procedure to study in vivo Drosophila metabolites in order to identify disease biomarkers that contribute to novel therapeutic development.
So, let's get started.
Start preparing by collecting newly eclosing flies for 3 days.